Quadrupeds, the most important fundamental skill that you need to master in parkour. You'll be in this position for a lot of the skills that you'll be learning. So let's break it down. Step number one, when we're in this position, hands and feet nicely far apart and our backs has to be flat like a table. We do not want our bum in the air and we definitely don't want to be in a frog position. Nice flat table. Step number two, how do we walk with all of our hands and feet at the same time? In order to move forward, if you're using your right hand, you're going to be moving your left leg. And so from here, right hand, left leg, opposite side, opposite leg. And you should feel this motion of being able to move forward. Step number three is sort of a common mistake to avoid. When you're doing this, we do not want our legs out nice and wide. Sometimes people refer this to bear walks and they do out like that. We don't want to do this. Parkour in this quadruped, we want control because eventually we want to be able to do these on rails and really small positions and hard places. And so we need to be nice and precise, feet nice and close, and control as we're coming along.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this, but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard and play differently. Let's go.